Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with our hashtag Fancy Fold Craft Challenge 2023. It's a challenge which I started just over a year ago. Actually, it was in January 2023. I've started this challenge and I had few people joining in, and then in 2024 I had another two people joining, and from September we've got another member. So let's welcome Carrie from Carrie Cards Creations. And of course we're going to have Jenny, Christine, Monica and Katarina. I'm going to link them all below the video so you can check them out and go over and see what kind of projects they prepared. So this month we're going to work with reverse easel cards. So it's kind of a different way of creating easel card, so which we're going to show you. Every one of us will create something else, something different, so go and check out other ladies. And of course, if you want to join in, just follow the hashtag FFC Challenge 2023. I'm going to include all the information below the videos. I'm going to link ladies as well, and I'm going to link the Fancy Fold Craft Challenge Facebook group, because if you don't know, we are having a Facebook group as well, where you can share your projects, your photos, or your video tutorials, video presentations if you want. Also on Facebook group you're going to find a list of previous fancy folds we've done with this challenge, so you can, if you are new, you can check it out. So I think I told you all about this challenge, I hope. If not, you're going to find all the information below the video. As you can see, I prepared some of the elements and I'm going to show you what I'm going to use today, because there are quite a lot of products which are all from Chloe's Creative Cards, and I love that brand and I've been crafting with those products lately a lot. So I'm using this as it's a stamp and die set, but I only use the stamps. I also use this. This one is what's name? Fancy Sentiment Plug. I love this style, so I use this one. I cut those leaves as well and those, so I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use, but I already got them on the side. I've got this frame as well, so I'm using that. And for my base, I'm using this a nesting die set, which it was a part of my prize which I won for winning card maker of the year 2022, together with this paper pad. So I love those. So let me show you what to do with this one. So you need a card blank. It can be square, rectangle, any fancy shape you like. And then we need to, so I use that nesting die to create myself just a standard like a card base, and then I need to score the top one in half. For me it's going to be that, you can see over here, that notch. So I'm going to score this card like that. And for the easel card we score and burnish it this way, but for the reverse we are pushing it upwards. So I'm going to burnish this side, and then you need another panel like that to adhere it to the top. So I'm going to put this one now. I just need to snip off this little bit. I don't know what's happened. It just didn't die cut properly, maybe. So I'm applying glue on this part only. So I hope you had nice summer holidays. I didn't put many videos up. I had 2 weeks off. We went to Spain, and we actually didn't know what to do, but we end up in Spain, which was really nice. Last minute booking, but we loved it. And then we got back. My eldest daughter had her GCSE results, and then she was applying to different places, and she already started her college course, which she's really happy about. And I think that was the one she wanted to to do. So I'm happy. Natalia is starting her school today. So yes, all back to normal. So that's my front, and let me put this one. I thought I will put the plain looking card here. And with this reverse easel card, you can do it in so many different ways. Actually, you could cut this one smaller, and you could add here the smaller piece. But I'm going to do it this way. Just checking if that's the way I want to. It looks actually like normal easel card, but if you would do that panel a little bit smaller, then it would look a bit differently. So what am I going to do now? Maybe I will do this one first and decorate it. I think that's fine. So as you can see, I added some foam pads already, and now I need to make it straight. So I'm going to use my ruler, and hopefully it's going to be straight. I can see this point, so I'm always scared to put elements which needs to be kind of in a straight line, but it looks like this one is fine. Yeah, I like it. So I can put it down, and then I've got this one already prepared, and what I need to do only is to add some foam pads. But let me just do a dry run, because I've got those leaves, those bigger ones and a few smaller ones. Let me just see how I want to do that. And then I've got those flowers which could go like so. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add here the frame first. So I always add a little bit of glue just to make sure that even if the card will be on a display for a very long time, this because the glue on foam pads may dry out, which wouldn't be that nice, especially for someone who wants to display it for a really long time, and maybe it might be on a direct sunlight, you never know. So this one is almost done. I'm going to add a little bit of glue on the foam pads here as well, and again need to try to adhere it kind of straight. So this one is done, and I think I'm going to glue them with some hot glue, which I already prepared. And I only made those flowers because I was just afraid that this glitter will fly all over my project. So what I did, I stamped the flower with the Versamark, and then I heat emboss it with gold embossing powder. Then actually I facet cut that and those flowers, and then I put them together and added some glitter in the center. I used the glitter from Chloe's as well as the one I used on a previous project in my previous video, Rosy Glow. I hope you've seen that project as well. If not, you can check it out on my channel as well. And if you are new, as I said at the beginning, just check out all those informations in the description box below. Check out Carrie, Jenny, Christine, Katarina and Monika, so you can see what kind of project they're going to create. And as I said, check our Facebook group. On that group you will see the full list of other fancy fold we've done in the previous month. So yeah, that would be nice, because there are so many fancy folds we've done already, and there are so many still to come. Because if you love making fancy folds, you know that there are actually a lot of them out there, and still people are creating new ones. So now I'm going to just tear those leaves and add them just here and there with just a liquid glue. Just need to push them in. So I hope you're going to let me know what do you think about this fancy fold. Have you made this one before? Or maybe it's going to be your first time. I'm looking forward as always to read your comments and yes, looking at your project with those and this fancy fold. I've got some butterflies which I've done for actually this card. That's the card I've done a few days ago, and it's on my YouTube channel as well, but it's a white embossing powder, so I thought no, I'm not going to use it, and I will save it for a different project maybe. I'm just trying to see which leaves to put where. I'm going to use those as well, why not? These are slightly smaller, just to fill up this composition a little bit. I wasn't sure about the color palette. I think the gold goes really well with that paper, because this paper has like a little veins of gold. It looks so pretty, so I thought yes, let me do that. Add a little bit of gold with that embossing powder, which I think looks really nice. And of course, Chloe's products, when you use them, you just need to add a bit of glitter, because if you know her projects, you know that she loves glitter. She loves adding that. So yeah, that's nice. So a few more leaves and this one will be done. And I was thinking to add some sequins, so I'm going to actually put them so I can see them, otherwise I will forget, because I actually prepared quite a lot of things today, so just to avoid having a really extremely long video, because I want you to go over to other ladies and check what they've created as well. And yes, if you're going to watch focus on one video, then you might not have enough time to do that. So anyway, this one is almost done. What I need those few sequins. So let me lift it up so you can see. Look at that sparkle, look at those colors. I think they will look really nice once I do take a photo. So now let me see which ones shall I go for. The ones I always go for, or maybe I should go for those gold ones. I had those gold ones from Kim, but maybe I should go for these ones. I really like them as well. They got a really nice pastel colors, and they're actually very pretty. So let me pick some. Yes, I'm happy with that. I'm not going to think too much. I'm going to just lift them up and add a little bit of glue. This one is flying. I hope this one will work. I had this one. Yes, it works. And then a bit of glue and one more. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot, and it was very a quick card to make, especially because I had quite a few bits and pieces prepared off camera. So let me put everything aside, and then let me show you again my reverse easel. So reverse easel is kind of like an easel card, but you can see that the top is raised upwards. I hope you can see it. And I think it would be more visible if I would do this front a size smaller, so you could see it better maybe. But I hope you actually seen how I created, and yeah, look at that. I think it's so pretty, and sentiment, best wishes in gold. I think it looks really nice with those flowers. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about this card. Go over to Carrie. She's new to our team. This is her first month with us, and just a little thing about Carrie is that she has a giveaway on her channel. She announced it yesterday, so go over, watch her videos, share some love, and yes, check out her giveaway as well. Go over to Jenny from Ginger Ninja Crafts, Christine from Christine Cards and Things, and Katarina from Create with Katarina, and Monika from Quilling Lady YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this fancy fold card. Write me some comments, and yes, I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye for now.